What's up? My name is Addie. You might also know me as Wooly Pronto. I'm a digital artist and content creator, and I've been teaching online for the last 5 years, making tutorials and Procreate resources to help you make more art. I'm super excited for us to go through this Procreate for Beginners course together. I know it can be kind of daunting to try to learn a new program on your own. So in this class, we'll cover all of the essential tools and features that you need to know to be able to use Procreate proficiently. We start off with an overview of the app, so how to navigate, how to set up new canvases, how to get started with the painting tools, and the most essential gestures that you'll need for the intuitive touch interface. Once you feel comfortable with the basic app functionality, we jump right into a project so that you can immediately apply what you're learning. Follow along each step of the way as you learn to paint, smudge, create shapes, fill them with color, and add dimension with shading, all while we create a landscape scene. Each easy-to-follow lesson will build on what you've learned, equipping you with new skills while furthering your progress on the project. Throughout the lessons, you'll learn to use masks and selections, brush stabilization, transform and alignment tools, recoloring, and much more. And we'll be implementing it as you go, cementing a solid foundational understanding that you can apply in all of your future creations. We'll wrap things up with the bonus lesson where you learn about some advanced features like drawing guides, symmetry, and filters. Get the most out of the class with the project color palette, reference file, custom brushes, and the illustrated gestures guide to set you up for success. By the end of the course, you'll feel confident using all of the essential tools in Procreate for your own original artwork. I can't wait to get into it with you, so I'll see you there.